Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Curly Willow Acres. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate every one of you. Please consider subscribing and help my channel grow. Today we are going to do Decorate With Me, My Christmas Mantel. I am going to be using some things that I already have on hand. But first I'm going to light this beautiful candle with my new lighter from Radia. It's R-E-I-D-E-A. I love this lighter. It's in a champagne gold color. It comes in different colors. I'll have the link in my description box for you. It's very inexpensive from Amazon. And it is just beautiful. And you use a USB plug to charge it up. And as you can see, it works really well. And you just flip the little thing and light everything. I just love it. Plus it looks pretty with my decor. So now I'm going to show you my mantle all decorated for fall. Excuse the laundry hanging out there in the laundry room, but here it is, all decorated for fall. Before I take everything down, wanted to show you that. And then I took everything down and cleaned the whole room, took some plants down, got things, the mantle all dusted off, and I decided to take these baskets down later, you'll see too. But I went ahead and I put this garland up from, there's Hope helping me, but I put this garland up from Walmart that I absolutely love. I'll put the link for that too. It's $16.98. I have this everywhere in my house this year. It is so nice. I can't afford the $40, $50, $60 ones that are going around. So I got this one and I just love it. I added it to my white lighted pip berry garland from, trying to remember what they're from. I'll think of it, Lamp Lust. That's from them. And then I'm going to add to this greenery garland the some eucalyptus garland that's also from Lamp Lust. That is just beautiful, and that is lighted too. So here it is right here. This is the eucalyptus garland, and it's so full. And then you mix it in with this greenery garland, and it just adds a little something and just gets everything really nice and full. I have the lights underneath in the pipberry garland, plus I'll have the lights on this in this eucalyptus. So I didn't bother putting lights with the greenery, but maybe I should have. Let me know in the comments if you think I should have, because it isn't lighted up down where it hangs below. But I still think it looks really pretty, especially when everything's lit up. And then you'll see I'm going to put a eucalyptus wreath that is also from Lamp Lust above in the mirror, and that's lighted also. So I have plenty of lights there. So I didn't think I need it, but there's a lot of fluffing going on here because everything needs to be intertwined and fluffed up. You know how that is. I want it to look full and pretty. So I got that done, and now I'm just going to add back in my ironstone pitchers. I got 4 of them I'm going to put up here. And as you can see, my laundry room's a mess. Things are not perfect in my home. I'm showing you real life here. So I went ahead and I did the white ironstone pitchers. I'm going to do 4 of them. I have 2 that are sort of matching that I'm putting on each end. And then I'm going to put I was trying to decide if I was going to put greenery or Christmas trees or what. And I wanted to use what I already had on hand. So I ended up getting some Christmas trees to put in each one of them. And I was thinking the middle looked bare, but then once I put that wreath up there, it didn't look as bare. So here I'm adding the different Christmas trees in. And I think that looks pretty. I have 2, the 2 on the end are the same, and then the middle ones are similar. I thought they looked okay. Let me know if you don't think they do. But I thought it turned out looking pretty. And see, I have that middle that's a little bare, but once I get that wreath up there, I think it looks all right. It's looking nice and full. And I feel simple, just the greenery and the white pictures I thought was just pretty, and then all the lights. I'm trying to go a little simpler. I know to some of you this probably isn't simple, but for me it is. And yeah, so I like that. And then I'm going to add in that wreath in just a few minutes here, but I'm trying to show you the close-up of the garland here because it's just beautiful. And that eucalyptus garland from Lamp Lust is beautiful too. I'll put all the links in my description for you. But I think that turned out really pretty. And then there's the wreath. And that lights up also. And I'm thinking about putting some garland or some greenery picks, evergreenery picks in that too. And then I went ahead and brought my urn in from the garden and put this Walmart tree in it. And I don't think I'm going to keep the red and white ribbon. I think I'm going to go with something else, but for right now it looks okay. So let me know what you think. If it looks good, or if you think I should add something, or maybe you think the red and white ribbon does look good. But I think the wreath just added something in the middle there, don't you? I don't think it needs anything else in the middle. I went ahead and brought that garden urn in, as you can see, as I said. And then these little stockings are at Hobby Lobby in the mini tree section for like $1.98 for 4 of them. But I think that all turned out pretty. I'm very happy with it. It's simple, but I love the green against the white shiplap and the white pictures and everything. And thank you all for stopping by. There's Hope again. She just loves to be a helper. And as you can see, my slides are still fall because it is still fall here. The leaves are just now coming completely off the trees, so I'm going to change all this soon. But I hope you would consider subscribing. I appreciate it so much. And push that notification button so when I post a new video, you get a notification right away. And I hope you all have a very blessed week. And just remember that God loves you. He does. And He wants you to have a wonderful week. And please consider talking to Him. He loves to hear it from each and every one of us, no matter what. And I hope you have a wonderful week. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.